This flower looks too pretty to eat, but Dok Dala or torch ginger is a rare ingredient. We use it for decoration and is also edible. It tastes citrusy with a hint of lemongrass, zesty like galangal, slightly tangy and floral, almost like rose and lime had a spicy baby. In southern Thailand, we use it in salads most of the time, but you can also use it for soups and curries. Today we will add it to the Thai's beloved spicy and sour Gang Som. We use the tender petals that are not too fibrous. You just simply tear them out, and when you get to the center, you can slice it like this. We're making Central Thai version of Gang Som today, where we normally use fresh water fish, but because we are in Phuket and seafood is everywhere, we will use barramundi. Starting by bringing about a liter of water to a boil, then add pieces of fish and leave them to cook fully, that the meat falls apart from the bone. We're making fish stock here, so you can add fish head as well for wholesome flavor. When the fish is cooked, fish them out and select the good-looking pieces and set aside. These pieces will be added in later. For the not so good-looking pieces, when they're cool enough, you can take the meat off the bone. Barramundi is so tender, the meat falls apart so easily. The fish meat is added to the curry paste to thicken the curry, and we use the skin as well here. The curry paste for Central Thai Gang Som is simply dried red chili, shallots, salt, key ginger or finger root, in Thai, grachai, and shrimp paste. So we pound the curry paste mixture and the fish meat together until it's all well combined. Add this mixture into the fish stock pot we made earlier while bringing it to a boil. Make sure the paste is broken up and fully dissolved. Once it is boiling, you season the curry broth with a little bit of palm sugar, fish sauce, and the sour element of tamarind juice. I happen to have a little bit of dried gardenia slices, which are commonly used in southern sour curry. We call it som kak, so I add them as well. Then you add the flower petals, which will give a little bit of citrus note to our soup as well. And taste. It should taste spicy, sour, and salty. And then you gently add the tender cooked fish meat. Bring it to a boil for a minute and let all flavors combine. Then it's ready to serve.